I've just finished installing the rear wheel spacer kit. It's item B8785, and it fits about 8 or 9 B models here in Kubota. It comes with 2.5-inch spacer plates, 12 studs, 12 nuts, 12 lock washers. And you take out the old studs and bolts and put in the new ones. I've got some pictures. I'll put them for the rest of the video. The studs are torqued into between 72 and 83 foot-pounds, and they tell you to put the long end in, but that's incorrect. You put the short end of the stub in. Now once you got the spacer on, you reinstall the wheel, and you torque the lug nuts between 145 and 166 foot-pounds. I'll have a bunch of photos here and put in some comments on it. Here's the left rear tire, and there's a lot more clearance between the sheet metal and the tire now. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see it. It's pretty dark. Adds another 1.5 inch space, so now I can put on my tire chains.